Have you ever wondered how long it takes for your Bitcoin to arrive in your Beam wallet? It's a question that often pops up, especially for newcomers to the world of cryptocurrency. Let's dive in and find out. Before we get to the specifics of transaction times, it's important to understand a bit about the Bitcoin network. Bitcoin, as you probably know, operates on a decentralized network of computers called nodes. These nodes verify and process transactions, ensuring the security and integrity of the network. Factors affecting transaction times. Several factors can influence how quickly your Bitcoin transaction is confirmed. Network congestion. Peak times. During periods of high network activity, transactions may take longer to confirm. This is because there are more transactions competing for processing power. Off-peak times. During quieter periods, transactions can be confirmed more quickly. Transaction fee. Prioritizing transactions. By attaching a higher transaction fee to your transaction, you essentially incentivize miners to prioritize your transaction. This can significantly speed up the confirmation process. Standard fees. If you're not in a hurry, you can opt for the standard fee, which is typically lower but may result in longer confirmation times. Miner activity. Mining power. The overall mining power of the Bitcoin network affects the speed of block generation. More mining power generally leads to faster block times. Real-world scenario. Let's consider a real-world scenario. You've just sent a Bitcoin transaction to your Beam wallet. Here's what typically happens. Broadcast. Your transaction is broadcast to the Bitcoin network. Propagation. The transaction is propagated across the network of nodes. Mining. Miners include your transaction in a block. Confirmation. Once the block is added to the blockchain, your transaction is confirmed. How long does it really take? While it's difficult to give a precise answer, here's a general breakdown. Fast confirmation, high fee under ideal conditions, and with a high transaction fee, you could see your transaction confirmed within minutes. Standard confirmation, standard fee in most cases, you can expect your transaction to be confirmed within an hour or two. Slower confirmation, low fee or network congestion during periods of high network congestion or with a very low transaction fee, it could take several hours or even days for your transaction to be confirmed. Tips for faster transactions. Use a reliable Bitcoin wallet. A reliable wallet like Beam Wallet can help streamline the transaction process. Choose the right fee. Consider the urgency of your transaction and select an appropriate fee. Be patient. Remember that Bitcoin is a decentralized network and transaction times can vary. While the time it takes to receive Bitcoin on Beam Wallet can fluctuate, understanding the factors involved can help you manage your expectations. By considering network congestion, transaction fees, and miner activity, you can make informed decisions and optimize your Bitcoin transactions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.